Lemon Corporation's results for the past year are shown below. If Lemon prorates any over or under applied overhead at the end of the year, cost of goods sold after proration would total. So they've given to us the cost of goods available for sale, the ending raw material inventory, the ending work in process inventory, the ending finished goods inventory, the manufacturing overhead applied, and the actual manufacturing overhead. And we're going to use that information to calculate the over or under applied overhead. So we have to figure that out. And then we have to figure out the proration to cost of goods sold. Let's take a look at the solution together. Now, there's a lot of math here, so stay with me and try to follow along. And remember, on the CMA exam, you'll see calculation questions like this. You need to be able to quickly identify what you need to calculate and be able to quickly and efficiently get to the right answer. Now, I'm going to walk you through this one slowly so that you can learn, and then you need to practice to increase your speed. So let's start by calculating our cost of goods sold. The cost of goods available for sale was provided $136,000. We'll subtract our ending finished goods inventory to calculate our cost of goods sold. So we subtract the $13,000, and that gives us cost of goods sold of $123,000. So next, let's try to calculate our over or under applied overhead. To calculate the under or over applied overhead, you're comparing the actual overhead to the applied overhead. Actual manufacturing overhead is $55,000. We compare that to the amount applied, which is only $50,000. That's a difference of $5,000. Actual is more than applied. That means we have under applied the overhead. We haven't applied enough cost. So what we're going to do now is we need to increase cost of goods sold, work in process, and finished goods on a pro rata basis to move this $5,000 and prorate it to the accounts. Now the question asks us the cost of goods sold. So we have to figure out what percentage is cost of goods sold. So we start with our cost of goods sold at $123,000. We add that to our work in process ending inventory of $14,000 and our ending balance of finished goods, which is $13,000. That gives us a total of $150,000. Cost of goods sold represents a high proportion of the total. So it's going to get the most or more than the other two items. Cost of goods sold is $123,000 of the $150,000. So it represents 82% of the total. That means cost of goods sold is going to get 82% of the $5,000 of under-applied manufacturing overhead. That makes the pro rata amount $4,100. Now remember, because it's under-applied overhead, we are going to now apply the cost that we haven't applied, we've under-applied. That means we need to increase our cost of goods sold by $4,100. $4,100 plus $123,000, our cost of goods sold after we've prorated the overhead is $127,100. That is answer choice B.